You're watching How Leap. Let's learn how to change your profile picture and banner on YouTube using the mobile app. Open the YouTube app and tap your profile picture in the top right. Tap on your channel. Tap the edit pencil icon next to your channel name. To change your profile picture, tap on your current profile picture. You can choose to take a photo or select one from your gallery. Adjust the cropping and tap OK. To change your banner, scroll down and tap on the banner image at the top of your channel. You can select a photo from your gallery or choose a color. YouTube will show a preview of how it looks on different devices. Adjust the cropping if needed. And tap Select. After making changes, tap Save in the top right corner. The new images may take a few minutes to update across YouTube. Your profile picture is also your Google account picture, so it will change in other Google services. The banner is specific to your YouTube channel. Ensure your images meet YouTube's guidelines. Profile pictures should be at least 98 times 98 pixels and banners 2048 times 1152 pixels for the best quality. You can change these images as often as you like. For more simple computer tutorials, subscribe to the channel.